Kami kaya Press Congress Committee la kentaj ban sia kitpap badai tak Congress pasya ingin try ba ban simenta ha ka election sel Karo Hills Autonomous Council habukan menta kasngi unayam ke Mpcc ba manwe batwal waong ba om dai tak Congress dai giwe ru gidi ban menta nama bai kini kam pas dang nadu usnan ber knais pak sanfua nadu bola wanra ya ka council ha kini kejela buat ke Thai North East ong ma giwe parti ru gidi ban kidon benta bun ma bat kini kam dai ban benta bat kumta omla ban keno ban perkit pap tangai Congress ong balik si ha tu pol kini lam ban chua kim la ban yo i jingai tak kadau ka ailat ya kinon trai ba ban sim benta ha ka ju ka pol ka dibora marak beri ke working president jo MPCC kala kubur ban menjur ba ya ke jing dawa jing pai ba acik ba dai ban ai ba je simenta tak karu hak election se dis council ban khanglat ye kinon trai ba kai thu ba Istanbul monument we ning non tribal ba pan tiket congress ka kentaj ma ba dai nak jai pendu karu
Baroh kata kapol balik ke karena benamen ni ke ED rules si kini nganai ong beri tang ke Congress ke beladon ke EC mo there's so many parties that has been in the EC. I think it's the political will that nobody had in the past kan masyu keren ni kata political will come down nadu pasdang in 1972 kan or even for that matter since 1954 for that matter when the district council was formed. There were a lot of things that probably politicians of those time did not have the vision or did not foresee to a very large extent what is going to be the impact in the long term, and maybe these are the mistakes. We all know, right, when law is being acted, it needs to be amended from time to time, and maybe the amendment never did happen or there were no serious discussions because of the lack of political will at any point of time. You can't just say that it is the Congress or something like that. I think there were various other parties who were also heading the ECs, and I will not say political. It becomes more like a statesmanship. If there are good statesmen who probably would have thought and been more far-sighted in terms of their understanding of what exactly are supposed to be done, maybe these actions should have been taken a long time back. But since as we speak today, we cannot say that we'll keep on sleeping over this. For what will happen in the future is it needs immediate action, and probably corrective measures has to be taken. So just blaming one party or the other it doesn't make sense to me, because it's the entire political ecosystem itself which has gone wrong for a very long time.
All CM is removed. I think he resigned by himself. Then only they have put a new CM. This is their party prerogative. We have nothing to comment on that. And as far as ST certificate is concerned, yes, we all endorse, we agree. It's a welcoming step, but they have to fulfill all the system. Then we can start with it. First, Momenin, he was NPP. Then he was denied ticket. Ticket was given to Mr. Mondor. Then he joined TMC. From TMC, he came to Congress. Then we denied to give ticket to non-tribal during this time. We respect the sentiment of all our Garo Achuk people, the sentiment of NGOs. Therefore, we said we will not give ticket to non-tribal. So we have given to one lady, one madam. And after that, he is no more Congress. He was trying to contest, put his nomination as independent. That's it.
Recently there was a photograph in social media with the Congress leaders. He was with the Congress.
Of course, you cannot take photo. You can also take photo with me. This is while he was in Congress. Definitely, he was taking photographs with us. That's it. No harm in it, yeah. Come on.